In a kingdom far from here lived a prince without a cheer. Then one day he met her eyes, stars above and butterflies. She was just a peasant girl, but their love began to swirl through the nights and through the days, in a dance like moonlit rays, fairy tales and whispered dreams, lost in each other's beams, hearts entwined, a mystic lore, love like theirs forevermore. Castles built with tender hands wrote their names upon the sands. They defied the ancient curse in a timeless universe. Chandeliers